James here, and today we're taking a look at this box from Willow and Everett. This is actually their whistling tea kettle for the stovetop, which is kind of cool if you guys are into that stuff. Now, inside this box, you'll be greeted with a couple things, including the tea steeper. Right here, you'll put your tea in here. You guys just like that, pop it open as a nice magnetic top or clippable top. You'll put your tea in there, and then you'll steep it in your cup. It does have a nice little clip to hang it on the side if you need. You'll also then be greeted with this 5-layer tea kettle. Now, this is a 3-liter style. It has this nice little tip that actually will whistle when it's ready to go. It's got this cool little handle. This handle you'll pull and it will open so you can actually pour. I like that nice silicone handle, 5-layer with surgical steel, and then you have your aluminum bottom and base, guys. Nice multi-layer. To pull the top off, you'll just pop that top, you'll fill it with water, set it on the stove until it whistles, and you're good to go. Cool little tea kettle, guys. Nice little hand, great little design. Does come in other colors. This is the stainless steel, of course. You also have red and black versions. Guys, if you need nice, elegant little thing, cool little tea kettle for your tea drinkers out there from Willow and Everett. I want to thank you for checking this out. We guys have a great one.